Playlists can make your channel look much bigger than it actually is. I can put those as lines on my homepage and people think, well, he's got a lot of stuff. But actually it was only 20 videos. And why do I say it can make your channel look bigger than it is? And I've talked about playlists before and the importance of having them to group your videos into areas or sub-niches. It just makes the whole thing more tidy, and if you can get someone into a playlist, they might start watching all of them, which is exactly what you want. Improved session time. Now, why do I say it can make your channel look bigger than it is? Well, if I had 20 videos and they covered 4 different areas, immediately I can make 4 playlists. Might only be 5 videos in each playlist. But then I could slice them another way and say, actually, if I look at this point of view on these videos, I could make another 3 playlists of maybe 6 in each. So immediately I've now got 3 playlists with 6 in each, 4 playlists with 5 in each. I can put those as lines on my homepage and people think, well, he's got a lot of stuff. But actually it was only 20 videos. And another trick I've learned is if I make a bunch of shorts related to some of the long videos, I take those shorts and I make them into a playlist just out of shorts. So I'm getting one for the long videos, another playlist from the shorts videos. 2 different ways to entice people. You'll know yourself that sometimes you could just be swiping away through shorts, watching them one after the other, and you don't really watch a long video. But the shorts, if they're grouped, you might see 1 or 2 of your own ones come up after each other, keep getting recommended to you. If you watch one in a playlist, YouTube will recommend another one. And alternatively, if you've gone on and you're watching long videos, a bit more in depth, you'll watch that. If it's in a playlist, chances are it's going to be picked up with the other ones and you'll start getting recommendations on using those other videos. And the longer you can keep someone on your channel, the better, and the more YouTube's going to recommend it to other people, which is exactly what you want. So have a look at your set of videos, split them up into multiple playlists, and there's no reason why one video can't be in 2, 3 or 4 playlists as your channel grows. And arrange those playlists on your homepage. And let's hope that draws you more viewers and more people interested in what you're talking about. I'll see you in the next one.